How to fix Facebook screen size. Are you having trouble with the screen size on Facebook? Whether it's too small, too large, or looks stretched? Don't worry, in today's video, I'll walk you through simple steps to fix this screen size issue. So let's get started. First, adjust zoom settings on mobile or PC. Just go to settings on your phone. Look for the display or accessibility section and check if zoom is enabled or adjust the text size setting. If this zoom is toggled on, simply toggle that option off, reset or adjust as needed. If you are on desktop browser, what you can do is on the top right corner of your browser, click on the three dots, and under zoom, click on the minus or plus to adjust the size. Now open App Store and simply update the Facebook app to the latest version. You can also open Google Play Store and search for Facebook, and if there's an update available, simply update it. Next solution is to reset your device's display settings. Go back to settings and simply go to display and brightness, and here in text size you can simply adjust it to your preferred text. You can simply swipe down for smaller one and swipe up for the bigger size. Lastly, what you can do, clear your browser cache and cookies. To do that, on the web browser or on Google Chrome, simply tap on the three dots and scroll down until you found an option called delete browsing data. Simply tap on it and click on delete data. If none of the above steps work, what you'll need to do is uninstall the Facebook app and reinstall it again. And that's it. Hopefully one of these solutions fixed your Facebook screen size issue.